Let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Mindset Coach Laudiann Silvis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad that you guys are here. If you love my channel, you're brand new to the YouTube program, go ahead, take a look at my videos. I have lots of videos. I make videos every day. I give valuable information every day. Please leave your comments, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you get fresh videos from me all the time. All right, guys, I need to sit up. I shouldn't be slouching on the chair, but actually holding my laptop right now. Today, I just got up a few hours ago and did a little bit of my meditation. I got off work this morning. I had to get some sleep. So now I'm alert, and I am actually focused right now doing my business online. I'm actually gonna show you guys my new YouTube channel. I'm actually building another YouTube channel. It's called Laudi Music. So I'm gonna go there right now. And here is Laudi Music. All right, I have 8 videos here, but I think it's 9 videos because I just posted a new one. This is my newest video right here. I love dogs. So it's a music video. I edited not long ago, about last night, I guess. And I actually did it at work on my break time. And it didn't take me that long to edit a video or make a video. I love making videos, guys, and that's my number one thing. Also, I've been screening my videos too about my Creative Commons videos, so I kind of like been editing some of them, making sure that they are the right author that authorized for us to use those videos. My pillow is falling behind my back, but you can go and check me out. It's Laudi Music. I will have it connected to my Millionaire Mindset channel. It'll be in the bottom. I do have 55 subscribers there, but today I worked on it last night to get the keyword list. So now I have to break down my keyword list to find out the actual top 10 keywords that I want to put in this channel. And then from those keywords, I will actually start making the videos related to those keywords. Okay, this equals to the metadata, how the algorithm work with the YouTube channel, with your YouTube channel. You'll get more views, you'll get more traffic. You got to have that basic foundation so that Google and the research, whoever's researching, looking for you, will have better access to your traffic, to your channel on YouTube. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go back here to my Millionaire Mindset. All right, so Laudi Music will be way in the bottom here. See this, my favorite channels. So you'll end up seeing it down here. This one is my original channel. You guys can go there if you want to visit that channel. I do have 377 subscribers, but I started this channel a long time ago. I hope everybody become productive, stay productive, stay active, don't give up, and take action today, okay? I'm trying to scroll this back up, which is not doing it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go because I have a lot to do today, and I do want to make some advertising organically. I will talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you in the next video, and bye for now. Okay.